Christian Dior. Diorissimo, medium size. Yan, MD nakalagay. Smooth calfskin leather. Yan siya. Comes with authenticity card, care booklet, tapos generic dust bag. Meron din siyang separate na pouch. Ayan, malinis yung loob nito. This is the bag. Front ng bag. Complete yung kanyang chain, yung DIOR. Complete naman. Then, yan. Front, side, and then yung likod. Siya. And then, other side. Tapos yung bottom, complete yung studs. And the corners, corner 1, may mga signs of use lang. Corner 2, then corner 3, and corner 4. Tapos yung kanyang handle, maganda. Tapos rubber lining ng lips, maganda rin, walang crack. And ito yung loob ng bag. Ayan siya. Tapos meron siyang removable strap, adjustable also. Maganda rin yung rubber lining ng strap. Okay, for when Diorissimo, ganyan siya. You can hold the handle as handbag.
Adjustable pa.
Or use yung kanyang strap. Ayan. Ganda nito.